Hello, this is Daniel, and today I am going to show you how to save and restore settings in your Touch series controls. Here I've got a Supra-Touch and I've got my equipment configured and my settings put in, and so I will just need to insert a USB and then save the settings to it. So to do that, I am going to need to open up the front cover of the control here and then insert, I've got my USB here, insert that into the USB slot there on the front. Then on the screen here, I'm going to go to the menu and administration and then save to USB and yes. So it says success. It has created the file. Then, to show you what it will look like when you're restoring your settings, I am just going to do a factory reset on this control to wipe it out. So let's restore the defaults. Yes. While that's happening, I can also show you I've got a plus touch here. And so on the plus touch, the menus are going to look exactly the same. USB port is up here. So if you're doing this on the plus touch, then you're going to put your USB in there. Okay. So here we have restored the defaults on this control. So there's nothing on here. So if we go back to administration, we can load from the USB to pull our settings that we had saved. So we can say yes. And then here, it'll take a little while and it will load up all of our settings. So we'll just have to be patient here for a minute. And here we can see all of our configuration and settings from before. We have loaded it back on. I will now just throw that USB into a computer so I can show you the file itself and what that looks like. All right, so I'm at the computer now, and when I insert the USB, I can go into it here, and we can see we have the file, the backup group all.bin. So that is going to be the file that has all of our configuration and settings on it. And if we want to, we can pull that, copy that, and back it up onto our computer or something else so that we have a copy of those settings somewhere else just for safekeeping in case something happens to the control itself. That is how you save and restore settings in the Touch series controls. That'll do it for this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.